स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं 7.3. बिफोर दैट लेट अस complete the basic concept of this one. 7.3 is related to arcs and sectors. All you know about that. This is a circle. All you know. O is the center of the circle. Point A is on the circle. Point B is on the circle. X and Y also on the circle. If O is joined with A as well as O is joined with B, this particular part of circle, it is shaded here, you can see. This is called sector of the circle. This is called as sector of the circle. You understood? And this central angle is theta. Means measure of arc AXB you have done in 9th standard. Measure of arc AXB is equal to measure of its central angle. Where theta is less than 180, means 170, 100, 130, 140, it is called as minor sector. And if theta is more than 180, it is called as major sector. So this shaded portion is minor sector and this large one is called as major sector. And if theta is 180 degree, then circle is divided into two equal parts, so it is called as semicircle. Understood this one? Now how to get the length of arc? Length of arc matlab this length. Suppose anyone asks what is the length of arc AXB, means this length. ध्यान से देखना. This length is arc AXB. This length is arc AYB. It is a part of circumferences. So first thing, area of sector. This one is sector. Area of sector AXB. Suppose you want to calculate, its formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. All you know, area of circle is pi r square. So area of major sector. Major sector means this one. What you have to do? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Means if you subtract area of minor sector into area of circle, then you will get the area of major sector. It is written here formula. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So length of arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. There is a relation between area of sector, length of arc and radius, and this relation is denoted by this formula. Area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. In short, you can write A is equal to L into R upon 2. These are the formula. You must write these formulas and by heart it. Then we'll move on 7.3. So many solved examples are there. You try to solve all the solved examples. 7.3 first sum I am reading. Radius of circle is 10 cm. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of sector associated with the arc where pi is given 3.14. Very simple. First you write down all the given values. Given values, radius of circle r is given 10 cm. Measure of arc, that is theta, is given 54 degree. Area of sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Put the value 54 upon 360 into pi 3.14. R square means 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 is multiplied by 3.14 makes 314. So 3 into 314 make 942 upon 20. And 942 is divided by 20 will come 47.1. So your final answer is area of sector is 47.1 square centimeter. Understood? Now question number 2. Question number 2, it is given here. Measure of an arc of circle is 80 cm and its radius is 18 cm. Find the length of the arc. See students, theta is given 80 degree, radius is given 18 cm and pi is given 3.14. Length of arc formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. थीटा 80/360 इंटू 2 पाई 3.14, आर की जगह पे 80. एंड ऑल द कैलकुलेशंस सी, 0 0 कैंसल्ड, 4 2 जा 8, 4 9 जा 36, 4 से 8 एंड 36 कैंसिल हुआ, 4 2 जा 8, 4 9 जा 36, दैट इज वाई इट केम 2/9. एंड 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18. देखो 18 2 से 9 से कैंसिल हुआ तो 2 आया. तो योर आंसर इज 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8. ऑल 3 2s आर देयर. देखो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, 8 इंटू 3.14, 8 into 3.14, it came 25.12 centimeter. Since it is length, so its unit is only centimeter. Clear? Now let us come to the third sum. Here we will apply. Radius r is given 3.5. Radius of sector of circle is 3.5 and length of its arc is 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Radius is given 3.5. Length of arc is given 2.2. You have to find area of sector. Students, theta is not given, so we have not to apply. Area of sector is equal to theta/360 into pi r square formula. So second formula is area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. Length of arc is 2.2, radius is 3.5 upon 2. After making all the calculations, you will get area of sector is 3.85 square centimeter. In this way, your third sum is also over. They are very easy sum. You can easily solve it. Now let us come to the fourth sum. Fourth sum is radius of circle is 10 centimeter, area of sector is 100 centimeter square. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. ध्यान देना students, radius is given 10, area of sector is 100. तो first get the area of circle. Area of circle 3.14 into 10 into 10, 314. You need to find area of major sector. अभी ये डायग्राम देखो. Area of sector it is given 100. So get the area of circle. Subtract area of this sector from area of circle. You will get area of major sector. This one. So area of circle came 314. Area of sector is given 100. So area of major sector is equal to 314 minus 100. देखो ध्यान से. Area of circle came 314 centimeter square. So area of corresponding major sector is 314 minus 100, that is 214 centimeters square. Clear? Now fifth sum, even you can solve by yourself. I am reading the sum. Area of sector of circle of radius 15 centimeter is 30 centimeter square. Means radius is given 15 centimeter, area of sector is given 30 centimeter. You have to find length of arc. Simply apply the formula area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. All the values are substituted. 30 is equal to L into 15 upon 2. 2 का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 30 into 2 हो जाएगा और 15 अपॉन में आ जाएगा. तो L is equal to कितना मिला? 30 into 2 upon 15. 32 जा 60 अपॉन 15, 4. या तो 30 को 15 से कैंसिल करो. 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30. 2 into 2 4. तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. इस तरह से आपका फिफ्थ सम भी कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखिए. डायग्राम ऑलरेडी टेक्स्ट बुक में ड्रॉ है. यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन हियर. नाउ मूव टू द हियर. Radius of circle is given 7 centimeter. Measure of arc MBN is given 60 degree. First thing you have to find area of circle. Where is the pi r square? It is 154 centimeter square. फिर मेजर एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर MBN. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर MBN मतलब ये वाला. थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू यू गॉट 25.7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OMCN मीन्स एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, ये वाला. वेरी सिंपल, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. सी एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OMCN इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ MBN माइनर सेक्टर. 154 माइनस 2.57. पूरे सर्कल में से एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर MBN ये वाला है. सर्कल में से इसको माइनस कर दिया तो हमको ये वाला एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर MCN मिल गया. एंड इन दिस वे योर दिस सम इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीट. यू कैन नोट डाउन इट. Now let us move to the question number 7. All the questions are almost same. Question number 7, see the diagram. P is the center of circle. Arc ABC is given here. Radius of circle is given 3.4 centimeter. And perimeter of sector is given 12.8. Perimeter of sector ABC is given 12.8. Perimeter means sum of all lengths. मतलब AP plus PC plus length of arc ABC. This is perimeter. So it is written here, perimeter of sector ABC is equal to length of arc ABC. ये वाला देखो ध्यान से, plus PA plus PC. Sum of all three will make the perimeter of arc ABC. So length of arc is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. And PA and PC both are radius and they are 3.4. That is why here 3.4 plus 3.4. Perimeter of sector ABC is already given 12.8. क्वेश्चन में दिया है. तो perimeter of sector ABC की जगह पे हम लोगों ने क्या लिखा? 12.8 is equal to length of arc. Again I am writing instead of formula here length of arc. देखो फार्मूला की जगह पे मैंने फिर से length of arc लिख दिया. प्लस 3.4 प्लस 3.6.8. 6.8 ट्रांसफ़र हुआ तो ये साइड में माइनस हो गया. तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज इक्वल टू 12.8 माइनस 6.8. सो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क कितना आ गया? इट केम 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द सेम यूजुअल फार्मूला. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ABC इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इंटू रेडियस अपॉन 2. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ABC इज इक्वल टू 6. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क 6 है. Radius is 3.4 upon 2. 6 is cancelled by 2. It came 3. 2 3 जा 6. So 3 into 3.4, 10.2 square centimeter. So you got area of sector ABC 10.2 square centimeter. Complete solution is here. You can copy down it. एक बार ये सम को यहाँ पर फोकस करना है आप. Perimeter of sector is equal to length of arc plus radius. तो perimeter 12.8 है. 12.8 is equal to length of arc plus sum of both the radius is 6.8. So 12.8 is 6.8 is subtracted from 12.8. Length of arc came 6 centimeter. Then usual formula, area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius upon 2. Your answer is here. Now students, move to the question number 8. Question number 8, see in the diagram. This is question number 8. In the figure, O is the center of sector. Angle ROQ is equal to angle MON is equal to 60 degree. OR is 7 and OM is 21. Find the length of arc RXQ and arc MYN. Pi is given 22 upon 7. Very easy sum. Theta is given, radius is given. Simply apply length of arc formula. ध्यान से देखो, theta is given 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Radius of this smaller arc is 7 centimeter. Radius of bigger arc is 21. So length of arc rx cube theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7. R कितना है 7. After calculation it came 7.33 centimeter. Similarly length of arc my1, ये वाला arc देखो myn, इसका रेडियस पूरा OM कितना है 21 सेंटीमीटर है. थीटा तो 60 डिग्री ही रहेगा. सो थीटा इज 60 डिग्री, r is 21. Simply apply the formula. Length of arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. देखो 60 से 360 कैंसिल हो गया, 0 0 कैंसिल हुआ, 6 1 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36, 1 upon 6 आया into 2 और 1 upon 6 into 2 आ गया बराबर, और 22 इंटू, और ये देखो 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21, 22 इंटू 3 66 यहाँ पर आ गया. तो 6 से देखो 66 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 6 1 जा 6, 6 11 जा 66, 11 2 जा 22 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क my1 कितना आ गया 22 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर हुआ? सॉल्व कर लो ये सब. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Diagram is already here, whatever in the question. You can see the diagram. P is the center of the circle and it is length of arc ABC. What is given? Sector of arc ABC means area of this sector is given 154. Radius is given 40. With the help of these two we can get theta. Theta means this angle. देखो ध्यान से, angle APC. See the formula. Area of sector ABC is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of sector ABC is given 154. Theta we don't know, so theta upon 360 into 22 upon 7, it is pi. R square means radius is given 14, so 14 into 14. Students, let us do the calculations. 7 7 2 जा 14, 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14. फिर 2 is 360 is cancelled by 2, तो 360 को 2 से कैंसिल किया तो 180 आया, और 14 को 2 से कैंसिल किया तो 17 आया. तो हमको क्या मिला? थीटा इज इक्वल टू, देखो 180 ट्रांसफ़र होके ऊपर गया 154 के साथ, सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 154 इंटू 180 और 22 इंटू 7 इंटू 2 डिनोमिनेटर में गया. अब इसी को सॉल्व करना है. 22 7 जा 154 होता है, और वो 7 और ये, या तो देखो 22 इंटू 7 154 कैंसिल हो गया. 180 को 2 से डिवाइड किया, कितना आया 90 डिग्री आया. सो व्हाट अबाउट एंगल APC? एंगल APC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सेकेंड थिंग यू हैव टू फाइंड लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ABC. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ABC फॉर्मूला इज थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई r, 90 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. After calculation, it came 22 centimeter. Clear? So up to question number 10 is explained, 9 is explained. Students, question number 10 you have to solve by yourself. It's very easy sum. You can see here. Radius of sector is 7 centimeter and measure of arc 30 degree. मतलब theta is 30, r is 7. You have to find area of sector. Easily you can find by theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 210 degree. You can find it. 3 right angles means 90 into 3. 3 right angles means 90 into 3, 270 degree. So here theta will be 270 degree. So all three sums of question number 10 you can solve by yourself. Now let us move to the 11th sum. 11th sum, the area of minor sector is 3.85 and measure of arc is 36 degree. Means you have theta, you have area, you have to find the radius. Let us solve it. See carefully. Area of minor sector is 3.85, theta is 36 degree, radius you have to find. Put the formula. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area की जगह पे 3.85, theta is 36 upon 360, pi is 22 upon 7 r square. 36 बन जा 36, 36 10 जा 360. अब हम लोग इसको ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. 10 और 7 3.85 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और 22 अपॉन में आएगा. ये पूरा कैलकुलेशन करोगे ना आप, सबको इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके 22 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 12.25. आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 12.25. सो आर इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 12.25 मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 12.25 इज 3.5. सो रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल केम 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. यू कैन कॉपी डाउन इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. पूरा सम पढ़ो, रिवाइज करो, एक बार एनालाइज करो, समझो, देन कॉपी डाउन करो. नाउ टू मोर सम्स आर रिमेनिंग ऑफ 7.3 and they are a little bit lengthy. Let us solve it. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12, diagram is already here. See the diagram. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. PQ is given 14 centimeter. ये देखो 14 है और QR is given 21 centimeter. See the diagram. This is arc PS. This one is arc ST. Students, radius always equal होते हैं, तो PQ 14 है तो QS भी 14 हो जाएगा. पूरा QR 21 है, 21 में से 14 माइनस किया तो SR 7 आ जाएगा. क्लियर हुआ इतना. थीटा यहाँ पर भी 90 डिग्री है, थीटा यहाँ पर भी 90 डिग्री है. क्लियर हो गया. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस वन. थीटा इज 90, रेडियस इज 14. यू कैन इजिली गेट द एरिया ऑफ part X. Here theta is 90, radius is 7. You can get the area of part Y. Now you have to get the area of part Z. For that, first get the area of rectangle PQRS, length into breadth formula से. Area of rectangle minus area of this sector minus area of this sector, you will get area of part Z. समझ में आया क्या करेंगे. पहले एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर X निकालेंगे थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर से. फिर एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर Y निकालेंगे थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर से. 2 आंसर आ गए. उसके बाद थर्ड आंसर के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल निकालेंगे लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ के फॉर्मूला से. लेंथ 21 है, देखो QR 21 है और ब्रेड्थ 14 है. फिर उसमें से एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल में से एरिया ऑफ पार्ट X और एरिया ऑफ पार्ट Y को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमको एरिया ऑफ पार्ट Z मिल जाएगा. समझ में आया सब. अब हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं. सी केयरफुली. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. PQ is 14 centimeter, QR is 21 centimeter. PQ is equal to QS. देखो मैंने दोनों 14 14 लिखा है. PQ is equal to QS 14 सेंटीमीटर. SR कैसे फाइंड किया है, QR में से QS माइनस कर दो. QR माइनस QS, 21 माइनस 14, SR केम 7. SR इज इक्वल टू TR इज इक्वल टू 7. जैसा कि मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, फॉर सेक्टर X radius is 14 centimeter and theta is 90 degree. So area of sector X, theta upon 360 into pi r square, 90 upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Solve किया तो you get 154 centimeter square. Now area of sector Y or area for sector Y, radius is 7, theta is 90. Area of sector Y is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. 90 upon 360 into pi into 7 into 7, 38.5 centimeter square. For getting the part Z, जैसा कि मैंने explain किया था, first get the area of rectangle PQRS, length into breadth, 14 into 21, 294 centimeter square. Area of part Z, area of quadrilateral PQRS, that means area of rectangle PQRS, minus area of sector X plus area of sector Y. 294 minus in bracket 154 plus 38.5, it is 294.192.5. Your answer is 101.5 square centimeter. Now question number 13. You can see the diagram. You can see question number 13 in the textbook. Triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. LM is given 14 centimeter and 3 sectors are given. Radius of all 3 sectors is 7 centimeter. You have to find area of triangle LMN. You have to find area of any one of the sector and total area of all 3 sectors, and finally area of shaded region. You can see shaded region. Okay. Angle A, see here, since it is an equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. LM is equal to MN is equal to LN is equal to 14 centimeter. देखो LA is equal to LC is equal to 7 centimeter, MA is equal to MB is equal to 7 centimeter, NB is equal to NC is equal to 7 centimeter. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all 3 angles are 60 degree. Now area of triangle LMN. Area of equilateral triangles formula is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Root 3 upon 4, side is 14 centimeter, 14 into 14. Root 3's value is 1.73. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 4. So 14 into 14 is cancelled by 4 will come 7 into 7. Multiplying all 3 quantities, these all 3, you will get 1.73 into 49, that is 84.87 centimeter square. In this way you will get area of equilateral triangle LMN. Area of one sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancelled. 61 is 60, 66 is 360, and multiplying all these things you will get 25.67 centimeter square. Now area of all 3 sectors. So you got area of one sector, it should be multiplied by 3, you will get area of all 3 sectors. Total area of all 3 sectors, 3 into area of one sector, 3 into 25.67, it came 77.01 centimeter square. Area of shaded portion, students, see the diagram again. Area of shaded portion, from area of equilateral triangle you have to subtract all these 3 areas of sectors. After subtracting all these 3 area of sector, you will get area of shaded portion. So area of shaded portion matlab area of equilateral triangle minus area of all 3 sectors. Now same thing is written here. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle LMN minus area of all 3 sectors. Area of triangle LMN is 84.87 minus area of all 3 shaded sectors are 77.01. After subtracting, you will get 7.86 centimeter square. In this way, your last sum, that is question number 13 of practice set 7.3 is also over. Stop the video, see carefully, get again and again and write down it. All the best.